Good evening, friends. Welcome to Research Trade Profit. I'm recording this call on 20th of March. So after a long time, I am recording the call, and let us check the today's like how is our calls are working out. So just I want to show you some past performance of our last trading session on few selected particular stocks and both the Nifty and Bank Nifty will check the performance. So this is our website researchtradeprofit.com. Here you can see the intraday trading levels. So first we'll watch Nifty call. So Nifty, here we had a call on this is the date 17th of March. We had these levels, and this was the call on 17th of March. Nifty and Bank Nifty will see. Nifty we had a call at 9168 buy and 9184 sell, and stop loss was 9192. That is almost just a stop loss of 8 points of stop loss. So let us check the Nifty call. 8184, sorry, 9184. 9184 we had a sell levels, and 9168 we had a buy levels. So this is the red line, we can see this is the intraday chart. So here morning at 10 o'clock 5 minutes sell call was activated, and you can see this was the stop loss 9192. Just 8 point difference of stop loss we had, and that stop loss was not triggered, and we had a target of 8174, almost 10 points of target. 8174. Here we had a target, and you can see this after sell call it went up to 87. From there it continuously came down, and it made a low of this candle 67, and we had a buy call at 9168. So again from here buy call was initiated at this point. Here it made low, and suddenly we couldn't catch this trend, and later we got a buy entry at these levels. So from here again it went up to 97, 98. Again we had a sell call at 84 levels. Again our stop loss was not triggered in the sell call. It continuously came down. So we can see this within this range bound market how the performance was done in Nifty. Around 12 points we cashed in 1 2 3 times, 3 trades. That is at least 10 points or so if you calculated 10 into 3 trades, 30 points, 30 into 75, that is one lot. This was the profit we could have earned on just 5 lots of Nifty. In this range bound market also we got this much of profit. If you do one lot also it will be around 2250 rupees profit in this 2 to 3 trades. So this was a simple strategy of Nifty, and let us check Bank Nifty call. So here we had a buy call. As you can see this, it was a gap up, huge gap up. Here we had a buy call at 21,284. 21,284. This was a buy confirmation at 9 o'clock 30 minutes, and suddenly it came down and stop loss was triggered. So only one time we got a buy activated and the stop loss was triggered. Later we couldn't get a chance to buy again. So whole day it was down only. So we advise to trade with a strict stop loss so to avoid the big losses. So this was a call in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Same way we can see this Tata Steel call. This was also call generated on 17th of March. I am seeing this in cash segment, NSE cash safe entry, where you can see this Tata Steel. We had a sell call at 504.90 paisa, or you can consider as 504.80 paisa. 504.90 paisa. Here we all a sell call was activated at 10 o'clock. You can see this candle 10 o'clock sell call was activated, and how it was came down after the sell generated. It came up to 498.4, and our low target was 498. You can see this candle low 498.40 paisa. It made a low. Just we missed with 40 paisa to the target, but we cashed around 4 rupees. It came down after the sell call. So this was a call in Tata Steel. Same way we'll see in Cox and King. This was the Cox and King chart. I'll just draw the line. We had a buy at 198.60 and sell at 204.90. 204.90. I'll place a sell chart 204.90, and buy was given near 198.60. 198.60. So this was a call in Cox and Kings. You can see this. We have sent a, this is my WhatsApp broadcast list, where Friday, this was the call on Friday. As I am recording this call on 20th, that is on night, I am recording this call. You can see this 12 a.m. 12:20 a.m. I am recording this call, and this levels are generated in this date, that is 17th of March, Friday. This was the call. Hero Cox and Kings and Hero Motorcorp active. So Cox and Kings was activated at, I can see the time, 9 o'clock 41 minutes. We sent a message. 9 o'clock 41 minutes. Here you can see this. 9 o'clock 41 minutes. Somewhere near this level, this point. Around 204, 204, 20, 30 levels. We informed our broadcast list in WhatsApp. So later you can see this, how continuously it was came down from 204.90 paisa to continued down, and again target came, and from there it went up. Here you can see this 204.90. We had a sell call generated, and our first target was 270 paisa. That is almost 4 rupees target. So from here it continuously it came down. This was the target. So again buy call was generated at 198.60. This candle you can see this 12 o'clock 50 minutes buy call was generated, and again you can see how it was went up, and our target was 202.80, somewhere near these levels, from 198 to 202, almost again 4 rupees. So this is very simple strategy. You have to just draw the lines, and you can see the levels. Buying levels it went up, selling levels it came down. This was a sell entry and this was a buy entry. Here this is the live chart I am showing you. We are not showing like what we call, we are not using any advanced indicators or moving averages. It's very simple strategy. You have to just draw the two lines, and whenever the levels come you have to take a position. So this was a call in Cox and Kings. Just close this one, and so this was a call in Reliance. We'll check a Reliance call. Yeah, almost you can see this, out of 10 calls, 8 calls we get a good result, and maybe one or two stop loss we get trigger. So let us check this Reliance 1302. 1302. Here morning we had a sell call generated at 9 o'clock 30 minutes, and the stop loss was given at 1307. This one 1307. Here stop loss was got triggered. Here sell call generated and suddenly it went up, so stop loss got triggered, and again at this point we got a sell call. Again at 10 o'clock 40 minutes, again sell call was generated in Reliance Industries. Later it couldn't come much down. As you can see here, 1296 was our target, and it came up to somewhere near 1298 from 1302. just 4 rupees it came down, and closing was near cost to cost. Just a 1 or 2 point we got a profit in Reliance Industry. And Tech Mahindra, this was the Tech Mahindra chart. 482.55 paisa, 482.50 paisa here. This point we got a sell call confirmation, and after that we had a sell call stop loss at 484. This candle closing we got a confirmation, and here you can see this, it went up to 403.30 paisa, and again it came down continuously and target was done. But it was a very range bound market, so we had a very less target, and from this level again we had a buy call. Our stop loss was 498. So here we got a stop loss got triggered, this level buy call generated, and again stop loss was got triggered, and again you can see this, here again we got a buy generated, and target was done, and it was continuously went up. So here we had a sell, and it was slowly came down. So this is how the levels will work out. And let us check ACC. These are all calls given here: Cox and Kings, Hero Motorcorp, Reliance, Tata, Tech Mahindra, ACC, Wait and Enter, Tata Steel, Bank Nifty, BPCL. All these calls are generated, and we have sent this intimation to our paid members. Same way you can see this Tech Mahindra, we ACC. We just check ACC levels. So this was the ACC 1425. We had a sell call 1425. 1 o'clock 40 minutes. In this candle, sell call was generated. Sorry, this was not, this was the previous candle here. Yeah, this candle here, sell this candle itself given a sell confirmation. Oh, sorry, this is the first candle. So here we got a sell confirmation. As you can see this candle gave a sell confirmation, and from there you can see how drastically it came down. 14252, 14, almost 1405, 20 points it came down. So this is how it will work, and 1418 was the buying levels. I think buying levels somewhere we had a buy levels, but this candle is not closed in green, or this is not a buying confirmation. So you can see this again, it was continuously trend was followed the same and came down. This was the ACC call. And BPCL, see BPCL 644 30 paisa, 644.30 paisa. Here we had a buy call, and after that buy call, stock wouldn't go up, and continuously it came down, and stop loss was triggered in BPCL. This was a call in BPCL. We'll see in coffee day. Coffee day also call was generated. As you can see this, we have sent a message in the group, BPCL coffee day active. So here time of 9 o'clock 54 minutes. You can see this candle timings, 9 o'clock 54 minutes. This candle we had a sell call generated, and you can see this after sell call continuously it was came down from 234 to 231, almost 3 rupees it came down after our sell call. This was a call in coffee day. Power grid, next call is power grid. Power grid, we had a call at 195.80 paisa, 195.84 paisa. In this candle here at 9 o'clock 45 minutes sell call was generated, and this was a sell entry, and you can see this, it was continuously came down 194.80 paisa to 193.20 paisa, and our target was 194, somewhere here only. This was our target, somewhere here near, just 1 or 2 rupees was the target, but again it came till 3-4 rupees it came down. So this was a call in power grid. Apollo Tire, we had a call. Apollo Tire 197.35 paisa, 197.35 paisa. Here we had a sell call. Morning this was the opening, so here we couldn't get a chance to sell, and later we got a sell entry confirmation at this point at 2 o'clock 40 minutes. But again this was also reversed, and I think stop loss was triggered in Apollo Tire 198.40 paisa. Yeah, 198.40 paisa. Here we had a stop loss, sell call, and stop loss was triggered in Apollo Tire. Same way Arvind, we'll see Arvind 409.70 paisa, 409.75 paisa. Here sell call was generated at the time of 11 o'clock 10 minutes. You can see these timings: 11 o'clock 10, 11 o'clock 15 minutes. Sell call was generated in Arvind. Later you can see this continuously it was came down up to 490 paisa. That means almost 9 rupees it was came down after sell call. So this is how the levels will work out. And lastly I was just want to show one thing: Hero Motor Corp 3361. Here we had a sell call. You can see this candle 3361, and it came down after sell call. It came down up to 3344, and our target was 3344. Here 3343.5, almost 3344. This target was done. Again you can see this sell call was again here. The sell pause was triggered, and you can see the stop loss. It was just very near. It went to stop loss, but stop loss didn't hit, and again it came down. And in closing you can see this 3343. It made a low. So this is how levels work in our site. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood the uh, basic concept of the levels and how it work in intraday market. Using these levels you can trade in intraday, and with the strict stop loss and targets you can make entry and exit, and the accuracy is as you see in out of 10 calls maybe you get a stop loss ticker of 2 or 3 calls. And if you follow the same strategy very strictly, you can definitely get a confidence in this market. And I'm sorry for the long gap that I couldn't record the calls, and couldn't upload the videos. And I hope in future will not make a big gap in video recording, and we'll hope we'll update you regularly on the markets. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Happy trading session.